I got this solar street light. Let's open it up so we can check it out. All right, so this is what's in the box. Starting on the left side, you've got the main bolts and nuts and everything to attach this to whatever you're attaching it to. You got spare parts on top of that. You've got the mounting pole and the mounting bracket there, so you can mount it around a pole or you can bolt it to a pole, whatever you want to do. Of course, you got the main light, a remote, and a user manual. So let's check out the solar panel on the other side. That is a nice big solar panel. Looks to be made pretty well. Let's go ahead and get this thing mounted, see how bright it is. All right, I got this solar panel mounted up there. What I did is I've got some lag bolts there mounting it to this 6x6, and then I've got the metal bolt that they put in the package to attach the LED light to the pole itself. Very simple installation, and I'm gonna go put batteries in the remote so we can turn this thing on tonight and see how it looks. All right, so it's now dark outside. Let's turn this thing on, see what it looks like. Wow, that is bright. I'm gonna back up because that is really bright. All right, so the camera has now gotten back to normal after all of that light, and that thing really lights up the area very well. Definitely a very bright light. Now, of course, it's more than just a basic light. There is motion sensing, and you can see how far away I am and the remote works. So that's pretty cool. So this is on motion sensing, so I'm gonna try to sit still for a little bit. Probably will fast forward. All right, so now you see it went down to a much lower setting, but as soon as I start moving up to it, all right, so it's back up to 100%. There are other settings too. There it went back down to motionless. But if I want to turn that off and I want to just do on, you just press the on button, puts it on normal setting. We can drop the amount of light, 75%. We can go to a 50% and then a 25%. So it lets you choose that. It also has settings, so you can do 2 hours, 3 hours, 5, 6, or 8 hours. All of that from the remote. Again, you have the ability to turn it on motion sensing and not motion sensing. And then, of course, you can just turn it off. So I'm going to turn it on, and I am going to make it motion sensing. All right, so I hope you can tell that it is a very bright light. You will get a lot of light from this, but you can dim it and set it to motion sensing to lower the amount of light you get, just like that. Even at that low setting there, you get quite a bit of light. I hope this video was helpful. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all take care.